Okay, so today I think I want to do like a white eyeliner and maybe like a sparkly eyelid situation. We'll see. I mean, this is the idea that I have in my mind, but we'll see. By the way, I just filmed a tutorial for these nails, my baby blooms, and you know, I did this for artistic purposes, but yeah, if these will fall, if this will not fall by the end of the video, I will be really surprised. The first thing I would like to use is actually a new product that I just received from, I bought this on YesStyle, I believe. I'm really trying to find some good SPF creams because, you know, summer is coming, vacations, I don't know, but summer is coming and it's really hot outside already and it's very sunny. And I got this one, which is the Relief Sun Moisturizer from Higi. This is a Korean brand and they use lots of really good ingredients, and I really like, you know, the brand philosophy and all of that. It's a bit more expensive-ish, it's like a mid-range kind of situation, but they're really nice. So heard a lot of good things about this. SPF 50, PA 4+, so it's a really good one. I think it's a combination of chemical and physical sunscreen. So yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. It's kind of like I love this kind of color for my nails too. Like how to describe it? Like a creamy, more like a yellowy ivory color. I use it for my nails too, this kind of color. So I'm applying quite a lot. It feels cooling at the moment.
Poke. Vrei să pokeball?
No.
Zău,
This kind of smells like something herbally, plants, something like this, which, you know, I'm a fan of this kind of scent, so I'm okay with it. It absorbs really fast, so you need to work fast with it. But this is like a good thing because usually with sunscreens, they like linger, you know, on your face and they like stay on top and you need to like really work them into the skin. This one absorbs straight away, so you can apply more if you need more. And for me, this is like a good thing, so I like it so far. Moving on, I will just brush my hair. I will do my soap brows. I'm using the Paris glycerin soap. Just use any glycerin soap, and I'm using a little bit of my Skin Proud skin refresher setting mist. I already filmed a tutorial for my brows, so I am not sure if this will go first, but you will see like a proper tutorial. I don't want to do anything crazy with them right now, so at the moment let's just keep them fresh and nice and fluffy looking. I will use a little bit of my mineralizing concealer from the same. This is in the color 0.5. It's a light. If you have a light skin tone, this will be awesome for you. It's like real light. I don't know if you realize how light I am at the moment, but I'm really pale. I'm like my pale self because I haven't used fake tan in, I don't even remember, in a long, I mean, you can see this is white even for me, which, you know, I'm pale. Oh my god, maybe this was not the best decision. Let me try and blend it. Okay, let's move on to foundation. I'm using my Givenchy Essential Skin Nude Foundation. I know you've seen this a million times already in my videos, but I'm loving this so much. I have a couple of colors, and I also have, so this is the dewy skin finish, and I also have more of a matte satin finish one, and I have that one as well, and they're both super long lasting and super nice. So that's it. You will see me wearing this a lot from now on. Now, if I need to choose one, I think I still prefer this one with more like a dewy finish, but I do love that one too, and especially because now, you know, it's super sunny outside, it's getting hot. I'll probably end up wearing that one more. But the most important thing is how you prep your skin before any foundation. Doesn't matter if it's matte or if it's dewy. I think the most important thing is just your skin and if it's a long-lasting foundation or not. And this one it is. Let's apply a bit of concealer. And I'm actually applying just a little bit of this, and I will mix it with another shade, a darker one, because I feel like it will be just too light. I will be mixing it with my pore mineralizing concealer from the same, but this one is the pore concealer. This one is the creamy concealer. But they kind of have, I mean, this one is definitely more high coverage. This one is more silicone-y, but in the end, it's kind of the same formula. Just this one just has more coverage, so it's okay if I mix them. This is in the shade number 1, just on top. I actually like both, and I think if you mix them, it will have like the perfect combination of pore covering concealer and, you know, coverage and color. As a powder, another, I think I will use a lot of Korean products today. The ABH. This is the setting powder. I don't know how it's called. I know that it's just like a pore packed setting powder thingy. I mean, you can see it here. And I actually like to use this little puff to apply it. I don't know why. I usually never do this, but just kind of pressing it. I suppose it's kind of like a bit of baking, but not really. Okay. And I'm applying this mostly like in here underneath my eyes and my T-zone. And honestly, I think you get more of that pore coverage effect, really smooth skin, if you use something like this and really kind of press the powder into the skin. Instantly mattifies and makes it like super smooth and nice. So I guess this is why I like using the puff. And then I kind of, with my fingers, I like to remove any kind of excess, because my fingers are a bit like warm and not really sticky, but you know, we have this natural oils coming through, and it kind of removes that extra layer of powder I don't need. Or contour, something that I really love at the moment, and I've been loving this since I got these products. The Bibia, another Korean brand. Bibia, these are called blushes, I think. Yeah, Bibia Last Blush. And they have a couple of contour shades, and I have the Peanut Blossom and Macadamia Blossom. So Peanut Blossom is a bit lighter. I'll show them to you, but Macadamia Blossom, guys, gosh, you need this in your life. It's so good if you have a light or fair skin tone. Oh, so good. And I love the pigmentation, I love the formula, and it's also more of a drugstore brand. So this is Macadamia Blossom and this one is Peanut Blossom. This is like super light. If you're really fair, you need this in your life. I mean, there's not much of a difference between the two, but you can see that Macadamia Blossom is a bit darker. But I mean, you can use them both. Peanut Blossom is a bit more olivey yellowish in tone. Let's leave the skin here. I will go back to adding some blush and highlighter after, but I want to do my eyes now, and I will be using this new ABH Norvina Cake eyeliner. in this white color. I received these cake eyeliners, I think yesterday. They will launch on the 11th of May, and this is how they look like. So you have this trio. I love all the shades in here, and these remind me a lot of the Suva Beauty cake eyeliners. And we also have this trio, more like electric. These are stunning. So how you activate the liners, you just spray a little bit of water and, in my case, some setting spray or face refreshener, and leave this on the cake eyeliner for a few seconds so that it kind of goes inside, and you just apply your eyeliner, you do your stuff. I will use my little hug holder brush. If I can see it, this is the J007HS, an old brush. I got this years ago. And now you dip your brush and you have really nice opaque color. And these are not really powdery, but more like cream powder format. This is really opaque, really intense. So I'm kind of just mixing it with the product to get the consistency that I like for the eyeliner. And I don't even know what I will do. Let's see. Actually looks fun, not really symmetrical, but you know what I will do, because we worked with cake eyeliners, it's really easy to remove any kind of mistakes that you made with just water, setting spray, because they're water activated, so it's easy this way. I will just put a little bit of water here. I'll take this applicator thingy, silicone, from e.l.f. I will dip it into the solution, and then I will just, for example, I have here a little mistake, although I don't even know which line I like more, this one or this one. Okay, I'll do this one. And just remove like this. And again, constantly dipping it into water, so that it's not messy, it's, you know, clean looking. For mascara, I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I really love. The only negative thing, it smudges, especially in here on my bottom eyelid, and also falls into like small pieces here. So that's why it's not my favorite, but I love that it's super black, it's super opaque, and it holds the curl. I just wish the formula was a bit more like long-lasting, waterproof, I don't know. This is why I love my Japanese or Korean mascaras. I don't get that problem with them. But I love so much how this looks. But what I like to do is, I will just apply a little bit of this, so I can have that effect that I want from this mascara. And you can see it's super black. But then on top, I add a little bit of my like Japanese or Korean mascaras, and it stays in place. Now, as false lashes, I want to use some individuals that I got from AliExpress, but they look promising. They look actually really nice. And with my duo adhesive, I will basically try and gonna add a few more lashes on my lash line. I think, I don't know, I think it will look really good. So I have the lashes on. I think that they look really natural. I mean, only if you like look down, probably you can see something, but not really. So I'm loving this kind of natural lash look. The blush, I will use my Salty Siren from Nudestix. I really like this color. It's like a peachy pink with a brown. Like everything, everything in one stick. I like it. It's really kind of fresh looking. So I like to apply a little bit in my palm, and then I will kind of take a little bit with my brush. This is the Sephora Pro 99 brush. See this? And then I kind of apply it like this, going up. As a highlighter, Givenchy Teint Couture. I mean, this is a staple favorite, you know. I love this so much. I'm trying to find like a dupe for this, maybe a bit more not so expensive. So far, cannot find anything like it, because it's just the perfect dewy, subtle highlighter. I have this little guy from BBA. This is the Last Velvet lip tint. It's in number 21. It's a very famous one, so I will use it today. But firstly, I will need to just conceal a little bit the color of my lips. And then I like this. I don't like to use this kind of full on, but just gonna to blot it, almost smudge it lightly. Yes, guys, and this is it. This is my face, today's face. These earrings are from Lovisa, and this one too. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this mini tutorial thingy, get ready with me situation. I will see you in my next video. Take care.